the follower is doing at the beginning, that is a side step, and then backward ocho, and then we will go to the other side, and here we will work forward ocho. Again, backward ocho, and forward ocho. Backward ocho, forward ocho. Let's do it together. Maybe that will work. Let's do with the next song in the playlist. To the center of the chair, and also to keep it parallel to the floor. Your gaze parallel to the floor. Here we do the backward ocho, and in the other side we do the forward ocho. Details are the same. Long steps. You can see that something that the exercise of the chair helps you is to make the step with the sides that you know you will need, for example, to do backward ocho, to do forward ocho, to place yourself with enough distance to the chair that you will have a space for the pivot.
That one thing that I see is looking better and better is that you keep your chest towards the chair.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
This. That the chest is towards the chair. So I think it's looking better and better, but keep on improving it anyway.
Yes. That's something that is very useful for either followers and leaders. We use that possibility of our body a lot in tango. And actually, it's a characteristic that from the beginning of this technique of dancing kind of call the attention of people watching so much that it received a name. We call it quebrada, break. Like if you take something and you twist it and break it, that's a characteristic that other dances, couple dances that are embraced did not have before. So tango is the one that for the first time brought that idea in a partner's dance.